Hello Sudoku friends, welcome back with the second Sudoku, a regular Sudoku. In this case we have on Wednesday, today is Wednesday, May the 6th, 3 Sudokus, a binary, a medium Sudoku and a killer Sudoku. The second one I will continue. So let's get started. Alright. Let me see, which number can I use? The one, for example, in this column, a one in that column. So in the middle column, the only place for the one should be here. We have a 2 in this column, a 2 in the third column. So in the second column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. I see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. I see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. But I see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in the last row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. But I see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in the last column, 2 in that column. So in the column between, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. But I see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. And all the 2's are used. I can see. Yes, the 2. Alright. Can we do this with another digit? Let me see. Will be difficult. Anyway, a 6 in this column, a 6 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. But I see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And then a 6 in this row, a 6 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for a 6 should be here. Then in this big square, oh wait, 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. But I see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 6. Need to wait for more information. How about let me see. This big square, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 4. We have a 4 here. So no 4 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 3. The other 2 numbers are the numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5, 3 and 5. Remember that, 3 and 5. I see here a 5 in this column, a 5 in the last column. So in the column between, the only place for the 5 should be here. Then let me see, an 8 in this row, an 8 in the last row. So in the row between, the only place for the 8 should be here. In this big square, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing number is an 8. I see here an 8. No 8 in these 2 boxes. There an 8. No 8 in those 3 boxes. So the 8 could be here or could be there. So in the middle row we have an 8 in one of those 2 boxes. In the row below we have an 8 over there. So in that row the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. But I see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 8. So let me see A4 in this column, A4 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. But I see here 4. No 4 there. 4 should be here. Let me think. In this big square, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 1. I see here 1, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 1 should be here. The other 2 numbers are the numbers 8 and 3. 8 and 3. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. And I remember here, those 2 boxes were reserved for the 8. We have an 8 here, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. Then, how about... need a 7. Okay. One missing number in this column for the number 9, I believe. Yes, 9 is missing. Then 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. But I see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only place for the 3 should be there. In this big square, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 1. I see here 1, so no 1. In these 2 boxes, 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 boxes left in this big square. For the number 7 and 9, we have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 1. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 1 and 9. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 1 goes there. In this column, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 3. We have a 3 here, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3 should be this one. Then 1 box left in this big square for the number 5. 2 boxes left in this row for the numbers 7 and 9. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 boxes left in the first column for the numbers 5 and 4. 5 and 4, we have a 4 here, so no 4 there. 4 should be there, and the 5 goes here. One number left in this row for the number 1. 1 in this column, 1 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 3 places for the 1 should be here, here, or there. But I see here 1, no 1 there. Here also 1, no 1 there. Only 1 place left for the 1 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. But I see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. Then, how about the 3? Can I do something with the 3? No. Something with the 6 then? No. Can I do something with the 8? Yes, 8 in this column, 8 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there, but I see here an 8. No 8 there, 8 should be here. 8 in this row, 8 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there, but I see here an 8. No 8 there, 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in the first row for the numbers 5 and 3. 5 and 3. We have a 3 here. No 3 there. 3 should be there. And the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. We have a 3 now. So no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 4 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in the second column, so in the third column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. But I see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 7, 5, 2 numbers left in the third row for the numbers 5 and 7. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be there, and the 7 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 7. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 7. We have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 5. 1 number left in this column for the number 7. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 6. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 6 and 3. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Alright, for a Sudoku medium, I'm very pleased. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, a thumbs down. You can also download the PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the third puzzle, the regular puzzle, the final regular puzzle of today, a killer Sudoku. So see you soon. Bye bye.